So here's the coolant, the reservoir. It was empty, so we're gonna fill it up, add what it needs, and see what the problem is. Stuff kind of smells like cat piss.
Frighteningly, it's taking it all.
There must be a leak, huh? Gotta be.
Must be.
Something might have punctured the radiator.
God, I hope not. It's starting to accumulate now.
And when do you mix it with the water?
No.
You're supposed to put all 2 gallons in?
No, just it's 50-50.
Okay. As with farm life, there's always problems that need fixing.
Yeah, this ain't good.
Not good at all. You don't think it's burnt up, do you? You caught it before it got too hot?
I never had it overheat on me.
Who's Claude?
No, it started beeping.
Oh, Jesus.
At start.
Hope it's not fucked up. Can't lose another fucking brand new tractor. We had a brand new Kubota, burned down in the first week. Nothing left of it.
Alright.
That's it?
2 gallons.
Is it full?
No, it's not. It's going down. It was full.
Jesus. Let's find the leak then. Alright, that's it for now.